Since the 1980s, virtual reality, or VR, has grown from a sci-fi dream to an emerging consumer technology. But in addition to VR, you may have heard of AR, MR, or XR, related technologies with confusing, overlapping meanings. This 5-minute video will explain what each of those technologies are and how they are each different. Let's start with the most familiar, VR. Virtual reality creates a simulated reality by having the user wear a head-mounted display which covers their entire field of vision with 3D computer-generated imagery. Using sensitive head tracking, immersive sound, and motion controls, VR creates an illusion that the brain has trouble distinguishing from reality. This unique feeling of truly being in a virtual space is called presence, and it is the signature sensation that makes VR unique. A VR user cannot see or hear the world or the people standing right next to them. VR can take you to any place you can imagine, but to do so, it takes you out of the place you actually are. But what if we could add something virtual to the space we actually occupy? That is where AR, or augmented reality, comes in. The best known examples of AR use smartphone cameras to add real-time information overlays to the environment, but AR can also overlay on reality through transparent displays mounted in glass, or it can be projected onto surfaces. AR programs can use special target images to display objects in 3 dimensions, and increasingly AR can recognize surfaces and project 3D objects anywhere. The gap between virtual reality and augmented reality is closing, and it is now recognized as a spectrum of possibility, a spectrum we call mixed reality. New technologies are already on the market that combine the head tracking of VR with transparent displays that make digital objects seem to occupy the real space. Current gen technology tends to project a translucent hologram-like appearance, but there is no doubt that visual fidelity will continue to improve. Right now, a lot of people see these technologies as a tool for entertainment and marketing. With the possible applications for industrial use, medical use, teleconferencing, the possibilities are truly exciting. And speaking of the future of technology, there are a lot of unknowns, which brings us to XR. As in algebra, here the X stands for the unknown. What new technologies will emerge to allow different permutations of reality remains to be seen. But what we are learning now about building and designing for current technology will lay the groundwork for things to come, and we'll be curious to see what gets built. We hope that explains it. Thank you for watching, and stay curious.